again and again. And the train has finally started to go. I have no idea what it was waiting for, but it's on its way. It's been kind of weird on this line lately, and I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Oh, the sun had to come out. Well, better go the other direction. Again. Oh my goodness, Burlington Northern. Now what? Now I don't know what's going on. Oh, I hope it didn't do the D. Oh, I hope not, no. Those stupid punks been playing with the switches. I don't know what to do about this one. Again. Oh no. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to just film it, I guess. Huh. I hear a whistle way, 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 way down there. I don't see any light yet. Well, I guess I'll have to stop this one. All right, well, I guess I better do what I gotta do, kids. All right, everybody take care. I'm gonna wait here for a little longer, see what goes on. But everybody be good. Bail out.